Okay, can you look at the camera and say, hello, mommy?
Hello, mommy.
Daddy?
Hello, daddy.
Do you have brother or sister?
Yes,
So-
Hello, brother. Hello, sister.
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 Good. Hello, my name is Mr. Bean. And you are?
Hello, my name is Mr. Bean.
You are Mr. Bean? So what's your name?
Hello, my name is Zippo.
No, you are T-Rex.
T-Rex Zippo.
Thank you. So, Zippo, today I have a test. Are you ready for the test?
Yeah.
Let's go. Number 1, Mr. Bean, I have big phone. So, sit nicely. 1. Oh no. Don't play with the... Okay. 1, 2, 3. Do you remember who is she?
Principal.
Can you say she is?
She is principal.
She is a principal. Okay. Number 2, who is she?
She is secretary.
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 It's hard, right? Number 3, who is she?
She is English teacher.
Oh, don't do it. Put your hands down. Okay. Bo, what is number 4? Who is he?
He is music teacher.
Good. Now, look at the pictures. Show me your finger. And find me where is a principal. In the picture. In the picture. Number 2, where is a secretary? Nice. Where is English teacher? Where is music teacher? Thank you. High five. Hands down. Thank you. Number 2, Mr. Bean, I have this. Do you remember who is she?
She is gym teacher.
Good. Who is he?
He is janitor.
Janitor. And next one, who is he?
He is gatekeeper.
Thank you. And the last one, who is she?
She is bus driver.
Bus
Driver.
Driver. Thank you. So, next one, people. Mr. Bean, I have the letters. Can you tell me what letter is it?
M.
Letter
M.
Good. What letter is it?
Letter F.
Good. What letter is it?
Letter F.
And what letter is it?
Letter A.
Thank you. 5. Sit nicely. Hands down. Next one, Mr. Bean, I have the numbers. So let's go to the numbers. Can you tell me what number is it?
10.
Number
10.
Let's go.
Number 11. Number
12.
12. Number 13.
13.
13. Number 14.
Okay.
Number 15.
15.
Number 16.
16.
Number 17. Number 18. Number 19.
Very nice. Thank you. Here, Zippo. I have the next unit. And we go to the feelings. Oh. Very not happy. So, let's go. Zippo, let's come back. Can you tell me how is he? He is?
He is amazing.
Amazed.
Amazed.
Very good. And how is she?
She is happy.
She is happy.
She happy.
She is happy.
She is happy.
Next one. How is she?
She is sad.
She is sad. And how is he?
She is
How
sleep.
is he?
He is sleep.
Sleep what?
Sleepy.
Next one, Zippo. How is he?
He is excited.
Can you say he is excited?
Excited.
He.
He is excited.
Next one, how is he?
He is.
No, he is
He is mad.
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 And how is she?
He is.
She
She is scared.
scared. And how is he?
She is.
He. I say how is he?
He is sick.
Thank you. And how are you?
I happy.
I'm happy. Mr. Bean, I'm very sleepy. Okay, next one, Zippo. Mr. Bean, I have some letters. Can you tell me what letter it is?
Letter I.
No. Letter L.
Letter L. Letter T. Letter P. Letter E.
Fine. Thank you. Next one, Zippo. Mr. Bean, I have the numbers. This is the last one for Big Fun. So are you ready?
Yeah.
Let's go. What number is it?
30. 20.
Let's go.
21. 22. 23. 24. 25. 26. 27. 28. 29.
Thank you. You are very fast. So that is the end of the Big Fun.
Yeah.
Can you say goodbye, Big Fun?
Bye-bye, Big Fun.
And now you go to Mr. Bean, phonics. Okay? I have phonics with you. Let's go, Zippo. Can you tell me what it is?
Ah.
Ah, very good. So let's start. What is it?
Cat.
What is it?
At. Yak. At.
Very good pronunciation. Next one. Mr. Bean, I have the family words. So let's go, Zippo. Can you say? Very good. 5. Let's go. What is this? No. What is this?
Ram.
So spell the ram.
Ram.
Thank you. Number 2, what is it?
Jam.
And spell the jam.
Jam.
Very nice. Number 3, what is it?
Yam.
Can you spell the yam?
Yam.
Thank you, Zippo. What is number 4?
Dam.
Spell the dam, please.
Jam.
Thank you. Number 2, Mr. Bean, I have the next family words. Can you say?
An.
Thank you, Zippo. What is this?
Fan.
And can you spell the fan?
Fan.
Number 2,
Man.
spell the man.
Man.
Thank you. Number 3,
Pa.
can you spell the pan?
Pan.
Number 4, can you tell me what is it?
Can.
Spell the can.
Can.
Thank you. Oh no, 2 family words. Okay, Zippo, let's go.
At.
Try ag. So let's go, Zippo. What is number 1?
Dad.
Can you spell the dad?
Dad.
Number 2, what is it?
Pat.
Can you spell the pad?
Pat.
Number 3, what is it?
Bat.
And can you spell the bag?
Dad.
No?
Bag.
Bam, it's not cat, okay? Number 4, what is it? What is it?
Rag.
Rag. And can you spell the rag?
Rag.
Thank you. We have this. Zippo, can you say?
Pa.
App.
App.
And let's go to number 1. What is it?
Cap.
And can you spell the cap?
Cap.
Number 2, what is it?
Map.
Spell the map.
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 Number 3, what is it?
Nap.
Can you spell the nap?
Nap.
Number 4, what is it?
Cha.
What is it?
Cha.
Thank you. The last one, Zippo, the last one. Mr. Bean.
Easy.
It's easy? Okay, what is this?
At.
Let's go to number 1. What is it?
Bat.
And can you spell the bat?
Bat.
Number 2, what is it?
Rat.
Spell the rat.
Rat.
Number 3, what is it?
Hat.
And can you spell the hat?
Hat.
Number 4, the last one?
Mat.
Spell.
Mat.
Thank you. So that is the end, Zippo. That is the end. And now, Mr. Bean, I want you to fold your hands and you say thank you, Mr. Bean.
Thank you, Mr. Bean.
Look at me and say thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mom and Dad.
Thank you, Mom, Dad.
Brother, sister.
Thank you, Mom. Thank you, sister, brother, grandpa and grandma.
Grandpa and grandma.
Yes.
Wow. Okay, stop the video and bye-bye.
Bye-bye.